Day 207, meditation on pessimism. I have lost my country. I have spent the greater part of my life in exile. My people have been tortured and massacred. Our temples have been flattened, our civilization destroyed, our country ransacked, and its resources pillaged. None of this gives any cause for jubilation. Yet at the same time, I have been greatly enriched through contact with other nations, other religions, other cultures, and other bodies of knowledge. I have discovered different forms of freedom and worldviews that I did not know before. Life is good